Hey everyone, this is Pramila Rawat and welcome back to this Android Firebase tutorial series. So last time we have worked on this tab view. We have created a tab for a list and map. Okay, and we have also a free API key. So in this video, we will create add places fragment. Like this one was for list, this one was for map, and we have to create a new fragment for so so as you can see, the app should be similar like this. Okay, we are adding places from here, and we are getting places list here, and on third page we are getting all the places. Okay, so let's start making a new fragment for add. It will be blank fragment. Add places fragment and finish. Okay, now register this fragment in section pager adapter. As a first tab, we will register add places fragment. Okay, now we will code inside this fragment. So we are going to work on XML layout of add places fragment. Okay, so we have a heading here which is add places. And after that we'll add places. Okay, so we will decorate it. So how to do that? It's, it's showing error here because start is not closed. Okay, now provide a size. Okay, let's provide 30 dp. Okay, and its gravity will be center. Okay, as it's on whole parent, we have to make it trap content so that it cover only that space which can be means according to the text. Okay, so as this text will increase, the size and height will also increase. So that is meant by wrap content. Okay, text size and margin from all the directions so that it can make some distance from all the directions. Okay, now let's create and edit text. Okay, and it should be below. Okay, let's take linear layout instead of this and make it its orientation vertical. Okay, now let's from top distance from top. Also, it should show some distance from all the directions. So we'll make padding of 20 dp. A hint for users: enter street street address street address. Right, now and provide an ID, which is ID street. Okay, now let's copy this and let's provide a margin from top of 30 dp. Right, and copy this and paste for every edit text. So let's provide a background of Android library. Okay, edit text normal. Okay, and also provide padding. Padding means distance from distance inside a view. Okay, so distance will be 10. So okay, now this is for street address. Let's run this. Let's create a new view for city. Please enter city name. Name, right? And yeah, it should be 20, not that much distance, but a little bit. Okay, so and third box will show country name. Okay, let's see how we have to create street, state, and country. Okay, street, state, street, or you can say city, and this will be state, and this is country. Okay, so here state name. Right, now we have to create a view for a camera or for gallery. So here we will create a text. Okay, and please select image. Okay, and its size 30. Okay, one new thing which I can maybe new for you all, that is how to get custom font. Okay, so we'll get custom font from, you can open design and here search for font, right? Now go here, more fonts, okay, and get this one. Let's get this one, okay, and click OK. Okay, now you can see Aladdin. This font is imported here, and now you can see its font is changed. Okay, now margin from top 20 okay, and below this we'll make a box for image. So here image view, mesh wrap. Okay, so image view, let's provide a height and width. So image can be big or small size, so we should provide a fixed size and we can make it inside one view. Okay, so let's put these both things inside one view so that it will cover less space. Okay, and margin to right. Okay, so this is our image. Okay, now one more thing, let's get a resource. Okay, you will get all type of resources from here. So it's a good thing that Android is providing all the resources here. So it's taking time in loading. By the way, we can get resources from Android. Let's see, Android and gallery. Okay, this type of image. Okay, so let's provide some margin from top, and the last thing is to create a button and text which will show save to base, save place to Firebase, or save location to Firebase. Right, so let's give it a margin of 10 dp and provide id button save, right. Okay, let's provide 15. Okay, now what we have to do, as it already registered here, we have to create a view for this. It will be like view v equals inflator dot inflate r dot layout. Okay, view. So what we have to do, the return type will be v. Okay, now what we can do, we can typecast these all variables inside its fragment. Okay, so how to do that? First of all, to edit text, okay, edit text heading. The first one was street address. Second one was street, and the third one was, and the was button. Okay, now let's see the output. Okay, so this is the output. This is for places list. This is for Google Map. Alright, so yeah, it's looking good. What we can do, we can reduce its height, and let's provide some color and choose color from color palette. Okay, here, and run this again. Let's provide a font here, font family, and we have created this font. So yeah, okay, so add places, and similarly provide, let's try to provide font and complete project. Okay, so we'll do that later. Okay, so this way we can create a single view in Android. Okay, so on next video we will create, we will work on Firebase, and also we will get the list from Firebase. Okay, so let's see the output. Yeah, you can see it's changed. Okay, so see you in next lecture now.